mission is. Is it gonna come? Huh. I'm waiting for my mission. Oh, here we are. Hello.
Hi. I have your mission.
Alright. Got a mission, good. Alright.
Your mission is to kill the mailman.
Kill the mailman? Why? What did he ever do?
Well, his wife suspects that he's cheating on her.
Oh, alright. So basically he's about to murder her, but we have to stop that?
Yes.
Got it.
By killing him.
Alright, got it.
Trust like normal day. He was
Alright.
talking on his cell phone and coming down from the hill.
Alright.
Okay.
Got it.
Over now.
Over now. So basically I have to kill the mailman. This is not a good day. Well, let's go kill someone. Where is he?
Yeah.
There he is, right there.
Why is he cheating on me? Or I'm cheating on my wife? Yeah, I know. It's kind of insane. I'm planning on killing him.
I don't think he's dead. One more shot will do it. Alright. Job done. That was really good. I like that. Especially with my nice assault rifle here. Yeah. Really enjoy it. Got a message. Hello?
Hi.
Hi.
Your mission briefing. Good job on the mission. Did you complete it?
Yes, I completed the mission. I killed the mailman. He was talking on his cell phone, as you said.
Should have been coming down the hill?
Yep, he did.
Okay. Was he talking about anything about...
No?
Did you hear what he was talking about?
He was talking about something on his wife and cheating and everything. So, yeah.
That seems to fit the description, so...
Yeah, I think we got him.
Good job.
Over and out.
Over now.
Mission complete.